Welcome to alternativetherapyclinic.net. Today we will talk about the headaches. In most of the cases, headaches are a very common issues. But if you have a severe headache which is accompanied with vomiting, limb weakness, double vision, slurred speech, or difficulty in swallowing, you may have a serious medical condition. In that case, you have to call for the doctor. But it's not very common condition, it's a rare issue. Simple common headaches, which are day-to-day things for many people, can be easily treated even with a simple aspirin or another analgesic. Headaches are generally characterized by, according to their underlying causes, muscle contraction or tension headaches make up one of the most common group. Vascular headaches are a second common category, which includes migraine and cluster headaches. And another type of headache is the sinus problem related headaches. Tension headaches bring a dull, persistent, non-throbbing pain that can make your head feel as if it is gripped in a tight band. Nerve endings in the head and neck have been irritated by that taut muscles are the chief source of the tension headaches. Migraines are the most debilitating of the headaches. They can be completely incapacitating. With some sufferers, a minority, a migraine attack is preceded by a warning sign, which we call as aura. It may include visual disturbances such as flickers, point of light, blind spots, or zigzag lines, or more rarely numbness in a limb or smelling of strange odor. Whether a warning occurs or not, a migraine will usually begin with an intense throbbing pain on one side of the head. Cluster headaches are as named. They tend to come in bunches. The pain, severe, piercing, and usually located in and around one red watery eye, is generally accompanied by nasal congestion and a flushed face. Now the sinus headaches are characterized by pain in the forehead, nasal area, eyes, and sometimes top of the head. We will go for the treatment aspect of it. In the treatment of these common headaches, both conventional and alternative medicine can be effective. Almost all practitioners consider relaxation beneficial for this tension and migration headaches. In the conventional medicine, doctors prescribe you analgesics such as aspirin, acetaminophen. In case of sinus headaches, your doctor may prescribe you even antibiotics and decongestants. But for the migraines, a wide range of medications are provided. Doctor may suggest using prophylactic or preventive medication on a continuous basis. This includes propranolol, which works by reducing constrictions of blood vessels. A calcium channel blocker such as verapamil or antidepressants. Your doctor may also prescribe drugs like sumatriptan. Even aspirin, if taken in the migraine pain, can be effective. In the cluster headaches, which are mostly concentrated, for example, near the eye, simple analgesics may not work. So doctors have found that inhaling pure oxygen can be highly effective in providing relief at this juncture. a short course of corticosteroids can also be advised by the doctor. These are some of the what we call that conventional medicine. But when we come to the alternative choices, acupressure and acupuncture are one of the most effective way, not only to relieve from the pain, to get you relief from the pain, but to decrease the intensity, and if done on continuous basis, you can get even 100% relief from the headaches. There are certain acupressure points which are quite helpful. One of the point which we suggest is just the middle of the head, at the top of the skull. You find that just the center of the skull is the best point for headaches. Then another point is the third eye, which we also call the third eye point, which is at the bridge of your nose, between your eyebrows. This point you just have to press these 2 points on for not more than 2 minutes to get the immediate relief from the headache. Acupuncture treatment is also quite effective. We have been practicing it in our clinic for last more than a decade. Then another thing which is very helpful in chronic headaches is aromatherapy. If you have a migraine or pain of tension related headache, moist your fingertips with 2-3 drops of lavender oil, blended with so-called carrier oils such as sunflower oil, and then gently massage your temples with a circular motion. For the sinus headache, try same technique using eucalyptus oil. For any other type of the headache, inhale a blend of lavender, rosemary and peppermint. These three are known to have a great properties to reduce your headache issue. In many cases, chiropractic is also used, especially in the tension headaches. As tension headaches are generally caused by postures that puts unnecessary strain on muscles, so a chiropractor may be able to remove the strain through spinal or cervical manipulation and realignments. We also have some herbal remedies for this. Perhaps the most widely recommended herbal remedy for preventing migraine is feverfew. Feverfew, the scientific name is Chrysanthemum parthenium, which is thought to work by blocking excessive secretion of serotonin, a neurotransmitters. Chewing a leaf or two daily of this herbal medicine, you can even prevent your headache, especially the migraines. We also have migraine can also be helped with the help of hawthorn, which is also called Crataegus oxyacantha. Even we have a very good mother tincture in homeopathy. Then you can also use skull cap. Then you can also use dry ginger. In case of tension headaches, daily infusion of Valeriana officinalis is used. In case of cluster headaches, you may get quick relief from several daily applications inside the nostril of an over-the-counter ointment made from Cane, that is Capsicum frutescens. Homeopathy is also a very effective way in dealing with the headaches. A range of homeopathic medicines are available which your homeopath will prescribe. For a throbbing headache that is worse on the right side, especially when lying down, you can use belladonna. For severe splitting headache that feels worse with motion, noise, light or torch, try bryonia. For sinus pain with thick green nasal discharge, you can consider Kali Bikram. For migraines or other chronic headaches, these medicines can also be used. And if it and still the headache persists, always consult a doctor. Apart from this, a simple lifestyle change, that is the exercise, can help you in getting rid of the chronic headache. Regular exercise releases endorphins. These are body's natural pain-killing agents. Exercise may also help to dilate blood vessels, which increases blood flow and may counteract the constrictions action that occur at the onset of the most migraines. Apart from that, you can also do the massage therapy with the help of some oil, and if possible add few drops of aroma oils, or which we just explained you. Then we have mind body medicine also, which includes meditation and progressive relaxations. As these therapies are quite effective in reducing stress, which causes the tension headache. Thank you so much. This was Dr. Kaushik from alternativetherapyclinic.net.